In this video, I'll show you how to copy a plan in Microsoft Planner. Copying a plan is useful when you want to reuse the same project structure, task layout, buckets, labels, and checklist style without building everything again from the beginning. For example, you can copy a plan for weekly tasks, client projects, onboarding workflows, marketing campaigns, or recurring team processes. First, open Microsoft Planner from Microsoft 365. You can also access Planner through Microsoft Teams if your plan is connected to a team. Once Planner opens, choose the plan you want to copy. After opening the plan, look near the top of the page for the three dots or More Options menu. Click that menu, then choose Copy Plan. If you do not see this option, your account permissions, planner version, or organization settings may be different. In that case, you may need to ask the plan owner or Microsoft 365 admin for help. Next, enter a name for the copied plan. Choose a clear name so you can easily separate the new plan from the original one. For example, if the original plan is called Client Project Template, you might name the copy Client Project March or New Website Project. Now choose which group the copied plan should belong to. You may be able to copy it into the same Microsoft 365 group or into a different group, depending on your permissions. Planner may also let you choose what information to include in the copy. This can include buckets, tasks, descriptions, checklists, labels, due dates, and assignments. Review these options carefully. If you are creating a clean template, you may want to copy the structure, but remove old assignments or dates. Once everything looks correct, click Copy Plan or Create Plan. Planner will create a new plan based on the original one. This may take a moment if the plan has many tasks. After the copy is created, open the new plan and review it. Check the buckets, task names, due dates, labels, checklists, and assigned members. Update anything that should be different for the new project. If some items did not copy, such as comments, attachments, or progress history, that is normal. A copied plan is usually meant to duplicate the working structure, not every piece of activity from the original plan. To make future copying easier, you can create a dedicated template plan. Keep the buckets, labels, and standard tasks inside that template, then copy it whenever you start a similar project. That's how to copy a plan in Microsoft Planner and reuse your project setup quickly. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.